how to use iCloud storage instead of iPhone storage on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you to the steps on how you can easily use iCloud storage instead of iPhone storage. Well, to use iCloud storage instead of iPhone storage, you want to enable iCloud Photos and iCloud Drive, allowing your photos, videos and other files to be stored in the cloud and accessed across devices while optimizing iPhone storage. So how you can do so, simply go ahead and open up settings. Once under settings, you want to tap on your name at the top. Then here you want to tap on iCloud option. Once you tap on iCloud here, you want to select optimize iPhone storage option. Now once you do so, what you'll do is iCloud Photos enabled. Make sure to enable iCloud Photos and iCloud Drive. Your photos and videos will be stored in iCloud and smaller versions will be displayed on your device with the ability to download the originals at any time. Now here you can go to settings also, and then here under iCloud you should be able to find the drive option. So you make sure to enable iCloud Photos here. Then you can say iCloud Drive, then you can enable this as well. So this way your files will be saved to Drive as well. A list of apps appear below iCloud Drive. When you turn on the app, it can store data in cloud. So here it means password will be saved. You can save your passwords to cloud, your notes to cloud, your messages as well to cloud, and your mail as well. So this is how you can use iCloud storage instead of iPhone storage. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.